Hello everybody, the purpose of this video is to go over the GT Power V5 LiPo Charger. Now this charger has an integrated balancer. It's capable of charging and balancing LiPo cells up to 5 cells in total, up to 14 cells of nickel metal hydride or NiCad packs. It can charge lead acid packs using a charge rate of anywhere from 0.1 amps up to 5 amps. Now the maximum output power of this charger is 50 watts, so on those larger packs you're not going to be able to push all the way to that 5 amp limit. So just do the math there. What you're looking for is your volts times your amps will give you your watts. So you're going to run out of wattage before you run out of amps on these larger 3-cell packs or potentially your 4-cell packs. The one feature this charger does not have that people are looking for is the ability to charge A123 cells. So for something like that you're going to have to go with the bigger charger such as the GT Power A6 or one of the chargers from the Bantam series, the BC6, the BC610, BC8, so on. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up, take a look, see what we've got. Alright, the first thing we see here after we open up the box is actually the temperature probe. Every one of these chargers comes with a temperature probe, which gives you the ability to monitor the temperature of your packs during the charge, and also allows the charger to terminate the charge sequence in the event that the pack gets too hot. Now the temperature at which it stops the charge is settable in the menu system, so you can look through the manual, it tells you how to change that, so forth and so on. What else we have in here is the operating manual. The operating manual goes into pretty good detail, fairly well written, easy to understand. If you've used any of the Bantam series chargers or anything like that, it's nearly exactly the same. Very easy to get along with. Plenty of information in here. Alright, now here we have the charger itself. As you can see, it's fairly small in size. The input power connectors are these 2 alligator clips. Now you do have the option as well of using an AC adapter for this guy. Once again, 50 watts maximum, so something that supplies 12 volts, 5 amps max should probably do you just fine. Now, if we take a look over here at the side, we'll take a brief overview of the charger itself, take a look at where everything is. Obviously here we've got the input power connectors. Right here next to the AC input, what we have is the connection for the temperature sensor. So your temperature connection is here for the sensor, AC input is here. On the front of the charger itself, obviously you have your LCD display, which is blue and it is backlit. All the buttons to control the charger and all the functions of the charger. On the opposite side, what we have here is the main output leads, which will go to your pack. And then what you have over here are actually the leads for the balancing connectors. Now these balancing connectors are of the Align type, so if you need to charge something else, a Thunder Power pack as an example, you will have to use an adapter that adapts the Thunder Power type balance connector to these Align type connectors. I've got one of those taps here I can show you. Basically all it is a short piece of wire with the 2 connectors at the ends. One side's going to be Thunder Power, the other side's going to be Align. You plug one end into the charger itself, your pack plugs into the other side, and away you go. Also in the box, what we have included is a couple of charge leads. Now if you take a look, the supplied charge leads, they come using these banana connectors at one end, and at the opposite end what you have is these barrel connectors, similar to what you see on most wall transformers and so forth. Now what you do, you've got all these charge leads here. You can see each one of these individual charge leads plugs into the wire here with the banana connectors at the other end. What comes in the box is a set with alligator clips at the end, a set that allows you to charge your glow igniter, Futaba servo connector allows you to charge your receiver packs and so forth, and then a JST connector for those smaller packs. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the charger is fairly small, simple, easy to use, covers the needs for most people getting started. So if you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email. We'll do what we can to help you out. Thank you very much.